Topic 2 Assessment. Number 1. 2 rock samples have masses of 56 and 2400 grams and 8 and 9800 grams. What is the estimated total mass if you round the decimals to the nearest tenth? A. 65. B. 65 and 2/10. C. 65 and 3/10. D. 66. Number 2. Estimate the sum of $4.28, $21.35, and $14.65 by rounding each number to the nearest tenth. A. $40.30. B. $41. C. $38. D. $40.40. Number 3. What is the sum? 5 and 9200ths plus 3 and 4800ths. What is the sum? 5 and 9200ths plus 3 and 4800ths. A. 8 and 3000ths. B. 9 and 3000ths. C. 9 and 3800ths. D. 9 and 4000ths. Number 4. Which decimal makes this equation true? 5 and 2600ths plus which decimal equals 13 and 6300ths? A. 7 and 3700ths. B. 8 and 2700ths. C. 8 and 3700ths. D. 8 and 4300ths. Number 5. Owen spent $1.29 on a pen and 38 cents on an eraser at the school store. A. What was the total amount he spent? Use the model to help you. B. Explain how the model helps you find the sum. Number 6. Select the correct answer for each expression. The expressions are 8 and 7300ths plus 3 and 4700ths, 13 and 5/10 minus 2 and 8/10, 3 and 7400ths plus 5 and 4600ths, 14 and 2/10 minus 5 and 5/10. The answers are 9 and 2/10, 12 and 2/10, 10 and 7/10, 8 and 7/10. Select the correct answer for each expression. Number 7. Take 2. Number 7. Sophie put up 3 bookshelves in her room. The top shelf is 3 and 8800ths feet long, and the middle shelf is 2 and 6300ths feet long, and the bottom shelf is 4 and 5600ths feet long. A. What is the combined length of the 3 bookshelves? B. How much longer is the bottom shelf than the top shelf? Number 8. Mr. Lee sold 8 and 6/10 pounds of apples. Miss Perry sold 40 and 4400ths pounds of apples. Miss Cleary sold 23 and 5/10 pounds of apples. And Mr. Jones sold 34 and 5/10 pounds of apples at the farmer's market. Which 2 people sold the most apples? What is the difference between the amounts these people sold? Explain. Number 9. Ricardo bought a pair of shoes for $55.60 and a hat for $9.78. How much did he spend in all? If he paid with 4 $20 bills, how much change did he get? Number 10. A rectangular yoga studio is 25 1500 feet long and 13 6200 feet wide. A. Round the length and the width to the nearest whole number. Then estimate the perimeter of the yoga studio. Write an equation to model your work. B. Round the length and the width to the nearest tenth. Then estimate the perimeter of the yoga studio. Write an equation to model your work. Find the exact perimeter. Which estimate is closer? Explain why you think that estimate is closer.